Hi friends, I am Tarak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to unhide the formula bar on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer or PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to unhide the formula bar on your WPS spreadsheet, I just going to show in this video. For an example, actually the formula bar will be on the top of this header. This section is called header or heading. So the formula bar will be located on the top of this actually, but now here it's actually missing. So I just want to enable the formula bar. You just need to go to the view section on the top, click on this view section, then you can see the formula bar has been turned off. You just click this, which will enable the formula bar not only for the particular sheet that you just marked, also for every sheet on the file. This is how you just turn on the formula bar on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.